Welcome to Syndco. Today, we will explore effective strategies to help you achieve 100 views per day on your YouTube. Elevating your daily views is paramount for expanding your online presence and connecting with a broader audience. By incorporating the following tactics, you can amplify your visibility and engagement. Firstly, the cornerstone of success lies in high-quality content. Ensure that your posts are informative, captivating, and tailored to your target demographic. Consistency is equally imperative. Uphold a steady posting schedule to sustain audience interest and loyalty. Optimizing your content for search engines is another critical facet. Employ pertinent keywords, meta tags, and descriptions to boost your search engine ranking and attract more organic traffic. Cross-promotion across various channels is vital for broadening your audience reach. Harness social media platforms, email marketing, and collaborations with influencers to extend your outreach and drive more traffic to your platform. Engaging with your audience is fundamental for nurturing your viewership. Respond to comments, messages, and feedback to cultivate a devoted community around your content. Foster sharing and interaction to enhance visibility and entice new viewers. Lastly, analyzing your data and insights is essential for comprehending audience preferences. Utilize analytics tools to monitor your performance, unearth trends, and make informed decisions to refine your content strategy. By consistently implementing these strategies and adapting to the dynamic digital landscape, you can escalate your daily views and realize your objectives with Syndco. Thank you for joining us today, and we eagerly anticipate witnessing your progression in expanding your online presence. Remember to subscribe, like, and share.